technicians are in demand. In basic techs, diesel techs, we want to build a pipeline. We want to mold techs, grow techs, and retain techs. And a lot of energy. Every time I come here, a lot of energy at Lincoln Tech, a lot of motivation, and just enjoy talking with them and learning about their aspirations, what they've done hands-on here. Yeah, we have 5 graduates, and they are successful, doing a great job. 4 are full-time, and their efficiencies and all the key metrics are where they should be. We have a 5th one that still is a student here, and he comes to work with us part-time after school, and he's doing a great job.
I think nationwide it's a difficult time right now for trades. It's hard to find skilled tradesmen, and Lincoln Tech, it definitely has the right thing going on where they're putting out skilled technicians with trades and that can move and transition right into the work field very easily. And it helps to have stuff like this where you can meet the technicians early and start to get a feel for what they're looking to do in their career path. I think that Lincoln Tech really prepared them for going out in the world and being part of the working community in the trades, without a doubt.
The number one thing we're looking for is attitude, honestly. It's, that person having an optimistic attitude, kind of a go-getter, wants to learn, they retain it. The skills I feel we can train and hone, but it's really their attitude and what they want to become in their life. A lot of students and parents of students don't realize what the trades, not just collision, but what the trades need, what the want is and the need is, right? I mean, you can make really good money, short into your career and have such a great jump start. And it could lead to so many different things. One thing that stuck out to me was when I was walking in the building, you had all these students in different shirts and different trades, and they were welcoming, they were up straight, they were polite, they weren't fooling around, goofing around, they weren't on their phones. We walked in, same type of greeting. And all these students, they're coming and, they're excited, they're engaging. We got a lot of different names and emails and addresses and, kids that want to come into our trade. And, Balise is not just collision, we're mechanical, we're parts, car wash. There's a lot of different things you can do from just our group. And they were really engaging kids, and they were polite. And you know what? That's really great to see nowadays, because sometimes you don't always get that. And this school, it shows. They put a lot of work into these young kids.
So the Audi Education Partnership we'll use, for a lack of a better word, a fast track to becoming an expert technician. So our technicians come in at a very green level, right? They're apprentice technicians, they may be lube technicians, and our dealerships invest in those students that have recently graduated and send them to the Audi Education Partnership, which is an 18-month program. It's a hands-on, in-dealer, and hand-in-hand with corporate program that allows them to move to expert position very quickly within 18 months.
Talking to the employers and the students, it looks like there's a lot of interest with opportunities. I saw plenty of sheets filled out with callbacks. Students with their resume in hand, a lot of smiles, uniform on, looking the part, being the part. That's always a great scene to see.